How to use Oberlo. So you come into the Shopify store, go into apps, click apps. You're going to go into dashboard. So here you're going to search for products to sell. This specific store is about pets. So if you just type in pets, there's going to come to a bunch of products. I just added a bunch of products for pets. You want to find the most relevant ones have the largest number of imports, page views, and number of stars. So these are all good ones to be added. This one, of course, right, has 0 imports, page views, orders. So this probably wouldn't be a good one. Obviously, pet toys. It's another search term. You add the top ones here. Pet products. You want to just spell it correctly. Pet products. Okay, professional pet. Okay, we can just click add to import list. That's good. These ones are clever. 831, 106. So pick the one with the most stars and the most imports. So click there too. So see if here's a little bow tie. Maybe add import. Okay, got that. Here we go. Anti-bite mask duck mouth. Okay, here we go. Click that. Scarves, no, blah, blah, blah. So this one, we already had that added. So that's good. Pet sunglasses. Okay, we're good there. Christmas pet headband, 7. No. 6 roll at dog waste poop. Okay, add import. That's a good one. Okay, once we added some of these, so we're good in this department. What we're going to go into is the import list. So there's 16 here. So what you're going to do, typically just hit showing 20 products, click all those. So then collections, we probably just go all products here. Do we find any type here? No, nothing that really is good. With this, go all products here. Search type, nothing really fits that great. Maybe pet apparel, I guess we could put that in. This one for sure, all products. Select pet apparel. Okay, that's good. This one, obviously, pet fashion. And then pet apparel. This one just be all products. Nail clippers. And this would be none of those. These two would be obviously pet fashion and pet apparel. Let's find that again. Pet fashion, pet apparel. Okay, so hopefully you're starting to understand which one goes where. Pet apparel, pet fashion, pet, where is it? Apparel, pet fashion, apparel, miss this one. Fashion, apparel. Let's go in here. Oh, that's pet fashion, pet apparel, fashion, pet apparel. This one's a dog bowl, probably just all products. Probably need to create another type for that. This is pet fashion, pet apparel, pet fashion, pet apparel. Same thing with this. Whoa, pet fashion, pet apparel. Looks like this. Pet fashion, pet apparel. Here we go. Pet fashion, pet apparel. I think this is the last one. We'll go pet fashion, pet apparel. So once you have all those selected, you would scroll up, click import all to store. Check that. Yes. Okay, that is importing. So those all should be good. There was 21 products, so it looks like that's the list. So let's go import list back here. This one didn't go, so this is the last one. Click that one. Obviously, pet fashion, apparel, so we're good there. And then we can just hit import to store. So that's going on. Then you can search all my products. So here's all the products that are imported. So that looks fine. They're all in there. Orders, these are ones that have gone through. None of those are at that point. Dashboard, we can review that. But main thing you want to look for is, so go back to search products. So let's say pet necklaces, right? And so then we can find all pet necklaces. Because the store is pet related, we want to find, things that are related to that. So like this is a good one to probably add. So import there, I'll import it. You can add it later. Dog collars, things like that. Another one you can look for is leashes. These are all good things to add. I'll let you do all that. So these are good. Add imported. So that's good. Heavy duty leash. People like these. A lot of people order them. Add to list. So all that stuff is good. Obviously you wouldn't want to add tons of the same leash type. Just one that has a lot of reviews and so forth. So once those are added, that's good. You go back up, like I said, you go to import list. You're going to see these, import those, we're good. And that's how you use Oberlo. And they should all be added to the store. So if I come into the store, if I go into products, they should have all been imported here. Takes a while for it to load, but you should see, yep, like all these are now in here. So that's good, and that's how you use Oberlo.